Hello, beautiful. Jenny here. Let's talk all about how water is key. A good friend of mine always says, dilution is the solution. I frequently want to switch to, that's why I had to pause to really make sure I said it right this time. But dilution is the solution. So it is so important for your health, your hair, your skin, your nails, your mood, your energy. Having water affects all of that. So let's talk about what happens if you aren't drinking enough water. Like, how does that affect your hair, your skin? If you ever think of dry, itchy, flaky scalp or skin, that could be, not only just maybe products you're using, but that could be lack of water. So if you're not drinking enough water, you're not giving enough moisture to your skin. And our body is made up of at least 60% water. And I forget the percentage that our skin, but being the biggest organ and releasing toxins, and that water is such a huge component to how your whole system works. And those results and the effects of things that you see on the outside are usually something because of something internalized. So when you're seeing that dry skin, when you're seeing that itchy, flaky scalp, when you're seeing dry, brittle hair, hair loss, these can all be things that are associated with lack of water. So you want to make sure that you are drinking at least 8-ounce glasses of water, so 64 ounces a day. Another thing you can do is take your body weight, divide that in half. So let's say you weigh 120 pounds, you want to aim for 60 ounces of water a day. Now, if you work out, you maybe want to up that a little bit because through your sweating, you're going to release a lot of water. So you want to add into that hydration there. So there's a few different ways that you can remind yourself or even to set yourself up for success to make sure that you're getting optimal water. Because I know that many of us in that midday, what is it, like 2:30, 3 p.m., you get that slump where you just want to reach for that nice warm cup of coffee. I hear you, because I have that a lot. But you know what? Sometimes you need to chug your water. If you sit there and think, why am I so tired? Either A, you've been sitting for too long, or standing in one place for too long. This happens to me at the salon all the time where I'm like, oh shoot, I need to move around. Another thing is, it could be, I have not had water in quite some time. So one thing I've started doing recently is I take a nice gallon of water and I fill this up at the beginning of my day. You can also set yourself up for the night before and fill it up the night so you're ready for the morning. Personally, I find that I like room temperature water more than cold water. And when I take the water from my fridge, it is so cold I can't drink as much as I want because my teeth froze. So I like to fill up this jug of water, and if I could drink this whole gallon, heck yeah. But my goal is just to drink majority of it. Another thing, I personally like to have the water bottles that have the ounces on the side of it, just so I can see how much I'm actually drinking, and I carry this with me everywhere. So I fill up from here into here, and then I can see, kind of gauge like how much water am I drinking today. And this may be a good thing that you do at the beginning of trying to amp up your water. I know a lot of people, I'm in quite a few fitness groups and nutrition groups, and that is a thing that a lot of women, or men probably too, it's just most of the groups are women, say is that they don't get enough water. They want to aim to get more water throughout the day. And it's funny, I don't know why it's such a struggle for us, but we have a struggle with getting enough water. There's quite a few apps that you can download. Just Google in your app store water reminder, and you'll get quite a few that you can download that way. You can also put like fruit or mint or different things in your water to make it taste better. Some great combinations. I actually personally just love putting mint in my water. It tastes amazing. If you take a fresh mint leaf and you rub the leaf, it secretes some of the oil, and put that in your water. It's so yummy. You can do lemon and mint, you can do lemon cucumber and mint, you can put blueberries. You want to kind of squish those a little bit so you get more of that flavor. A girlfriend and I went to brunch the other day, and the restaurant had this water that had lemon, cucumber, mint, and pomegranate seeds in it. It. It was to die for. It was so delicious. You can also set yourself up if you are a huge coffee lover. Maybe before you can drink your first cup of coffee in the morning, you need to drink 8 ounces of water. Before you go for your second cup of coffee in the morning, you have to drink 8 ounces of water. If it's the evening and you're reaching for your wine, drink some water. Have your water, as we all hear, have your water between drinks at the bar. Drink water before you eat. Another thing that is huge, and I found a huge change in the way that I feel throughout the day, is if I drink a ton of water before my feet even hit the ground off that bed. So if you're somebody who is working really hard on a fitness goal and you're like, but the first thing I do before I drink any water is weigh myself. Get out of bed, weigh yourself, and get back in and put those feet up and drink some water so your feet don't hit the ground till that water is done, right? So those are a few different ways that you can try to make sure that you're amping up your water intake, because I just gave you a few list of ways that it actually has a negative impact on your body if you're not getting their water. There are so many more that go at a deeper level, but these are the ones that you can see externally. So like I said again, cranky mood, lack of energy, feeling super tired, dry, itchy skin, flaky scalp, hair loss, brittle, dry hair. Some of these things may be product related, and some of them can be as easy as just drinking more water. All right, you guys, make sure to grab below your copy of 10 harmful ingredients to avoid your beauty products, because while we're trying to go on our health fix here and we're trying to live a healthier lifestyle, let's make sure we're not putting those toxins on our body that are in our beauty products. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will see you